All right, guys, check out this Chevy Silverado. This is a 2021 Chevy Silverado 1500. It's a 4x4. It has this 6-inch rough country lift kit on it. These wheels are pretty cool. So these wheels are they're called the Scorpion Offroad Saw is the model of the wheel. So Scorpion Offroad Saw wheels, and the size, they're a 22-inch in diameter, 10 inches wide, -19 offset, and the tires are this 35 12.5x22 tire. They are the Atlander Roverclaw RT tires. These have it's more of a rugged terrain type tire, so it really has a nice aggressive sidewall. You can see on the sidewall it has kind of an aggressive pattern on it, but it's a little more friendly on road. So this rough country 6-inch level kit, if you can see here how these wheels stick out a little bit, they're going to stick out with that negative offset and that 10-inch wide rim. They're going to stick out quite a bit outside the fender, but it really gives it a really great aggressive look. All right, so if you want to fit a 35-inch tire on a Chevy Silverado 1500, this new body style, you got to get it up in the air. You got to lift it, especially if you're going with a 10-inch wide wheel. These are, normally you're seeing like a 9-inch wide, a 22x9 or 20x9. This has the 10-inch wide wheel and a negative offset, -19. So the back spacing is 4.75. So to really clear that tire, clear those wheels, you have to get it the higher lift. So like I said, this is the Atlander tire. It's the Roverclaw RT. RT is the rough terrain tire. They are an E-load tire. They have I believe it's 121 load rating on those. So good tires. I like the aggressive sidewall. Even though this doesn't have much of a sidewall to it, it still looks really good. I think that's a great looking tire. And you can see here, you're sticking out a couple inches, 2-3 inches outside of the fender wells of the tire, of the body of the truck. And now in some areas, you may need to add fender flares in order to cover up those wheels and tires from flinging rocks everywhere. But anyways, that's an overview of this truck. Great looking setup. I'll leave information on the wheel, tire setup, the suspension lift, all in the description below if you're interested. But thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and enjoy the rest of the shots of this truck. Thanks.